Welcome to the Grab Your Reviews social sharing feature. In this guide, I'll walk you through sharing a review along with an image, making it easy to showcase positive feedback across your social media. To get started, go to the social sharing section in your dashboard. Here, you can connect your Facebook and Google business pages where you'd like to share review images. You can also select a background color that matches your brand style, making each review post look professional and on-brand. Next, head to the My Reviews section to choose the review you'd like to share. Select a review that highlights customer satisfaction to create a positive impression on your social platforms. Now, personalize the caption to give it your brand's voice. This helps add context to the review and makes it more relatable to your audience. Choose the platform where you'd like to share this review: Facebook, Google, or both. Grab Your Reviews makes it easy to reach your audience across multiple platforms. Once you're ready, click Share to publish the review with your customized image. Your positive customer feedback is now live for your audience to see. Thank you for using Grab Your Reviews. We're here to help you build trust, boost your reputation, and connect with your audience. Happy reviewing!